living positively, living positive, living positively, living positive.
Molweni, namkelekile ku Siyayinqoba Beat It, inkqubo yakhe wonke ubani ophila kunye nochaphazelekayo intsholongwane kagawulayo. Igama lam ndingunokubonga Yawa, yaye ndiphila nentsholongwane kagawulayo. Ikhensa yesibeleko ibulela oomama abaninzi eMzantsi Afrika kunezinye iindidi zekhensa. Kodwa singakwazi ukuzikhusela kuyo. Ikhensa yesibeleko ibangelwa yi-human papillomavirus okanye i-HPV, yaye ingxaki enkulu koomama abaphila nentsholongwane kagawulayo. Ngoku sinazo izikhuseli ze-HPV, kodwa ziyabiza, yaye abantu abaninzi abanayo le mali. Masihambe nonobantu sibone xa eyogonyelwa i-HPV.
Ngizokuthi sekhona i-vaccine against i-HPV. So ngadecide ukuthi ake ngize ku-Dr. Lidwaba azongichazela kabanzi ngayo mase ngenza ne-pap smear. Asabe sokhuluma naye.
Dokotela Lidwaba niyenza umsebenzi odila ngesifo sesifazana nokutetisa.
And inhlobo ihlukene kanjani? Ungasichazela ukuthi i-HPV ihlukene kanjani and nihlukanisa kanjani?
Ihlupha ngokuthi ungaba nayo and ungabi nalutho. Kakhulu abantwini besilisa. Abantu besifazana angaba nayo but ungabonakali lutho. But emntwini besifazana kusiza ngokuthi singayithola masenza i-pap smear. So masenza i-pap smear sithathe i-discharge la emlonyeni wesibeletho and then sibeke kwi-glass bayibheka ngaphansi ke-microscope. And then makuthi infection le ekhona izobonakala bazositshela kwi-report ukuthi lo muntu unayo infection ye-human papillomavirus. And then izosho ke ngoba sihlukene aba i-low risk or i-high risk ye-human papillomavirus.
Doctor, umuntu mangabe enale HPV kodwa engazi kuthatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi develop kuzokube i-cancer?
Ingathatha from 10 to 15 up to 20 years ukuthi kube i-cancer. But kubantu abane problem i-depressed immune system abane HIV AIDS ingachubeka nge-speed even within 5 years or less ukuthi ichubeka from i-HPV infection to i-cancer.
It's not as bad as everyone makes it out to be. I won't be uncomfortable at all. And it's definitely worth doing it for your health.
Ikhona indlela mhlawumbe abantu besifazane abangayivikela ngayo ukuthi bangayitholi i-cervical cancer.
Into ebalulekile ukuthi abantu basebenzise ama-condom ngoba preventa ukuthi umuntu abe infected. But enye into ekhona ibizwa i-human papillomavirus vaccine. Iyasiza ukuthi ke ungabi nalo infection or noma ikhona at least ingachubeki ngespeed ukuthi ube ne-cancer. But kubalulekile ukuthi uthole i-vaccine before uba sexually active. So normally sithi from age 9 until 12, but still from age 13 until 26. Those labo abantu besifazane still bangayithola le vaccine.
Mawukuthi usuke waya ocansini isangakuvikela yini le vaccine ekubeni uthole i-HPV?
Yebo izokuvikela. And even nalabo asebanayo le HPV infection ngoba ina so many different types zale virus, still ungayisebenzisa izokuvikela ku other types of le virus. Ina more than 40 types le HPV virus.
And awusichazele i-vaccine leyo itholakalayo imiphi yona mhlambe i-injection igama layo oyithola and asebenza kanjani emzimbeni womuntu wesifazane?
Kunale ibizwa Gardasil or Cervarix. Enye i-Cervarix uyayithola today, the next second dose ungayithola within a month, but i-Gardasil uyithola namhlanje, the second dose you have to get in 2 months time. But otherwise then the third dose for both of them kufanele usithole after 6 months time. I-Gardasil is about 1,000 rands and then i-Cervarix about 600 rands. So for 3 doses you're looking at about 1,600 for i-Cervarix, and for i-Gardasil you are looking at about 3,000 rands.
Ngila ekhemisi ne-prescription yami from uDr. Lidwaba. Ngizothola i-HPV vaccine. Asambe ngisobona no-sister ozonginika yona.
are you doing?
Well, and you?
I'm good, thank you.
Clinic system.
Oh, okay.
Rather so some survey.
Is it the same place?
So two companies brought out a similar strain. It was just made by two different companies.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can I get the Cervix then?
You can?
Okay,
You can.
That's what I'm thinking.
Sure.
How much is it going to be?
It's a small injection. It burns a bit when it goes in.
It wasn't as bad as I imagined, but it was bad. But for my health, I'll do it 10 more times. Thank you very much.
Pleasure.